What's going on, YouTube? So today we're working on the beast. We're doing the intake manifold gasket because the platinum gasket is leaking and the cylinder number 7 is misfiring. And today we're doing motor work. Topo Chicos, Dos X,
Calor.
and mechanic. So today is the day for this one, and hopefully later on the next video you see it at the body shop doing the rest of the body work, and that one is next. See, check it out. If you can see, this is the difference in this plate. It's a thin little plate. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this one on. It's an aluminum plate that's gonna replace the factory one. But we're gonna put the new bolts in it. We're gonna torque them down, and I'll show you the rest in a little bit. Alright, so now that we got everything done on my truck, I took it for a test drive, but the thing is the transmission is acting kind of weird, and I found out that whenever you have a automatic transmission, let's see, let me open it up. There's a cable that controls the speeds or the gears. So we're gonna adjust that. And this is the cable that controls the, I don't know if you can see it, this one right here. But everything else is done. You can see the intake, it's already in place, new bolts and everything, but now we gotta adjust that cable right there. Let me see if I can set the phone where you can see it. There you go. The way they said to adjust this, I gotta remove this clip right here. So you remove that and get it loose. And where do you pull from? There you go. So you're supposed to be like 1 mil off from the throttle body, which is this right here. Let me see. There you go. So now that it's adjusted, it's about 1 mil off. We can go ahead and reinstall the clip. That's there. It's clipped on there. And then just reattach throttle. There you go. So hopefully that takes care of the shifting problems that I had. So now we're just gonna take it for a drive and see if that did it. Alright, let's go. Because it was getting kind of stuck on second and third. It would go from first to second, and then it would shift to third gear, but then it was shifting back down to second gear. So hopefully with that little adjustment, it takes care of the problem. But yeah, let's take it for a drive and see what it does. And hopefully that fixes it. Well, I know that's what it is, but you just gotta kind of play with it. There you go. We went from first to second, but we got a lot of traffic. Beautiful. Okay. Well, we still got a lot of traffic, but it seems to be working fine now. So hopefully that was it. Cause man, I was going like around 60, and then it would downshift to second gear. Man, that was a bad feeling. But now it seems to be working just fine. Yep, we got it. So there we go. We did a valve cover, not a valve cover, the platinum gasket inside the throttle body, not the throttle body, the intake manifold. So we did all of that, and if you have any problems with the transmission shifting gears, kind of crazy, now you know how to fix it.